Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You'll begin by picking the quickest route, a native editor or running PowerPoint under Wine. First, enable Snap or Flatpak so you can install stable builds, then run sudo apt update and sudo apt upgrade to avoid package conflicts. Install fonts and multimedia codecs now so slides render correctly. Next, download a sample PPTX into your Documents folder to test import. Once done, launch the chosen app immediately and open that sample to confirm basic compatibility before moving on. Now you'll import and start editing. Open the PPTX and select the import option that preserves formatting. Inspect fonts and slide masters. Ubuntu systems often substitute fonts, so manually adjust spacing and line breaks to keep layout intact. Replace missing images and relink embedded media. For complex animations, preview slide by slide to confirm timing. Make incremental saves and export to PPTX after major edits so you can revert if something misrenders. Once you've stabilized, finish by exporting the presentation to PPTX and a PDF for distribution. Select high-resolution export and embed fonts when available so recipients see correct typography. Test the exported PPTX on a Windows machine or open it in Cloud PowerPoint to verify animations and transitions. If something breaks, install Microsoft Core, fonts on Ubuntu, or substitute with close matches. Convert tricky animations to a short video or flatten slides into images for stable playback. If problems persist, reopen the original and isolate the troublesome element for targeted fixes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.